This is Charlie's Trains again. We have the steam locomotive 2755 and the Delaware Hudson pulling candy cars. Here comes the Hershey train pulling this Hershey cars around. Got the Reese cups, Hershey's cracker, and Mr. Goodbar, and of course the Hershey Kisses. They're both, all three of them are pulling around, getting ready for Easter. Here comes the Hershey train set going around the roundhouse now and coming up around. And if everybody could, if you go to YouTube and subscribe to me, please, at Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains at 9169. I appreciate it and hope everybody has a great day. And thank you for watching.